Vitiligo, and for people out there that don't know what vitiligo is, it's an autoimmune disease where the melanocytes in your body they die off and you lose pigmentation. Now, I got this late in life. I wasn't born with this. It's not genetic. There's nobody in my family that has it. It's not genetic. Uh, so I got it 10 years ago. And, you see a spot here, a spot there, and you just deal with it. I wore makeup for 4 years, but it started to spread the neck, the arms. And after a while, I just said, you know what? It's not God's curse, it's God's challenge, and I will embrace it. I was very, very depressed, as it got worse and worse. And then I said, you know what? It's like a comic that wants to put new material in his act. Like say like someone gets married or someone they start a new family. Instead of like, oh my God, I can't do comedy because I got to raise these kids. No, talk about the fact that you have kids and how difficult it is for you to do what you used to do. That's material. People just try to say, I don't want to talk about my kids. Like, no, if you have funny stories, tell it. This is not a funny story, but I like to embrace the fact that other people out there that have what I have, they may have other different autoimmune diseases. They may have cancer. They might have anything in their life that they don't want to talk about, but they see me and say, "Wow, he talks about it, and he's fighting through it. So can I." So I'm trying to be more inspirational than just plain funny. Anybody can tell a joke, but if you say something about, I joke about this all the time. I walk on stage, and then people say, "Well, they look at me, and I see people whispering," so I address it right away. It's called addressing the elephant in the room. So one
Nice.
time it was like it is in New York right now. It's hot, and I came in and I was like, wow, all right, nice crowd. At Dangerfield, and I walked on stage because I was hosting. I said, my God, it is so good to be in air conditioner. It's hot out there, y'all. Ooh, it's hot. It's so hot. I used to be black. That's our his brothers are out there melting on the street. And it was a joke that people say, oh, okay, we get it. He's not really melting, but all right, he's talking about his skin condition. And it kind of brings a over the crowd because I addressed it. If I went on stage, if I had one arm and I did my whole show without even mentioning it, people say, wow, all right, okay. So anything that you think stands out, you have to address.
That's why knowledge